Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore deep learning, an advanced subfield of machine learning that's transforming industries today. This presentation is titled as Introduction to a Deep Learning. Let's now begin. Before we dive into deep learning, let's understand machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI, that is artificial intelligence, where computers learn from data to make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed. There are three main types of machine learning, that is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Supervised learning means where we provide labeled data. Unsupervised is opposite to the supervised, that is where the model finds patterns without labels. And the last one, reinforcement learning, where agents learn by trial and error. Machine learning is used in everything from recommendation system to fraud detection. This is all about machine learning. Moving towards the next, now we are going to discuss about the deep learning. Deep learning is a branch of machine learning that mimics how the human brain processes information using artificial neural networks. In deep learning, we are using the artificial neural network to mimic the human brain by the machine, uh, especially powerful when dealing with large amount of unstructured data like images, videos, and speech. Deep learning models require more data and computational power but often outperform traditional machine learning methods in complex tasks. This is about the deep learning. Moving towards the now we have discussed the machine learning and deep learning. There is some key features which predict the difference between machine learning. Here is a quick comparison. I will tell you. In machine learning, feature extraction is often file in deep learning, it's automatic. Machine learning works with small to medium datasets. The deep learning needs large datasets. This is the small comparison between the machine learning and deep learning. Moving towards the next, we are going to discuss about the work of deep learning. That means how deep learning works. Deep learning works by passing data through multiple layers of neurons. It processes the multiple layers of neurons. Each layer extracts increasingly abstract features. There's an input layer, several hidden layers, and output layer. From input layer we give the input, hidden layer process it and produce the output to output layer. This machine learning uses forward and backward propagation to calculate outputs and backpropagation to adjust weight. Common activation function like ReLU, sigmoid help model nonlinearities. This is about how deep learning works. Now, moving towards the next, we are going to discuss about the types of neural network. There are three types of neural network. First one is feed-forward neural networks. In short, we call it as a FNN. Second one is convolutional neural network, CNN. And third one is recurrent neural network, that is RNN. FNN are the simplest used for basic prediction tasks. CNNs are ideal for image processing and computer vision. RNS handles sequential data like time series or language. This is about the types of neural networks. The next slide we are going discussing about the applications of deep learning. Applications of deep learning. Deep learning is used in multiple uh, factors or in a multiple models. Like as for we use it for image recognition in social media tagging, then NLP, that is natural language processing. In these chatbots and translations purpose, we use the deep learning. Third one is self-driving cars. cars. In self-driving cars, uses deep learning to understand surroundings. In healthcare, it is used for detecting diseases from scans, and for voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, rely heavily on deep learning for speech recognition. These are the some applications of deep learning. So the im- we are discussing about the popular deep learning frameworks. It, to implement deep learning, developer use tools like TensorFlow. It is by Google. Keras, a high-level API running on top of TensorFlow. Third one is PyTorch by Facebook, known for flexibility. Last one, Cafe, used for image classification tasks. These are the some popular frameworks used in deep learning. Now we discuss about the challenges in deep learning. Despite its power, deep learning faces some challenges. It needs massive dataset to perform well. High computational cost often requires GPUs or TPUs. Interpretability is low in deep learning. We don't always know how it makes decisions, and it can overfit if the model learns noise instead of patterns. These are the some challenges we faces into the deep learning. Now we are discuss the future of deep learning. The future is promising. We are working on continual learning so models learn over time. Explainable AI is improving to make deep learning more transparent. We will see more deep learning on edges devices like smartphones, smartwatches, etc. And ethical concerns are being addressed through responsible AI development. This is the future scope of our deep learning. So whatever we are discussed from first slide to up to, we are going to summarize it. Deep learning is powerful tool within machine learning. It excels in tasks involving vision, language, and predictions. While it has challenges, its future is bright and evolving rapidly. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you found this presentation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for tech content. Thank you.